My name is Amiso from Bukedea district, Aminit sub-county, Angangam parish, Ter village. I'm doing poultry. Ever since we came here, we learned about business model canvas, the key patterns and the key relationship in business model canvas. We learned about the business compliance. In business compliance, we learned how to register our business, and we learned about how to organize, how to prepare our brooding rooms for our chicks. The step you have to take first, you have to construct. After construction, you have to know how to make your record keeping book. After, you have to have money at least for getting the materials, feeds, litters, drinkers, feeders, medicines for vaccination, water, power, and the rest. We faced a challenge in building constructions due to we were still new. We didn't know how to make it, but as per now we have learned about, we know now how to deal with them. When I go back home, I will help my fellow friends behind. I will teach them what I've learned, how to begin the business, how to prepare the construction, how to construct, and how I'll let them know the bit step by step how to raise up the chicks. We have experience, knowledge, skills, and so on.